Hi guys, I'm glad you came to check out your floor plan for Santa's workshop. So you can see here I've started already. I started with the reindeer stables. So if you look at your sheet here, it says the reindeer stables are located in the northwest corner of the workshop and is 7 feet by 7 feet. Draw the room's area on the floor plan. So as you can see, I've done that already. I have 7 rows with 7 in each row. So that's my 7 by 7. And I ended up with a total of 49 square feet. Now you'll notice here, I started with 5 rows of 7 and then I added on another 2 rows of 7 to help me with my multiplication fact of 7 times 7. The next one says the toy making room. So if you look at your toy making room, it says the toy making room is located in the northeast corner of the workshop and is 7 feet or 7 rows by 5 feet, 5 squares in each row. Draw the room's area on the floor plan. So here is the northeast right here. So we're going to compare that here to the northeast part of this rectangle, which would be here. So I have 7 rows and I have 5 in each row. And that means that the reindeer stables and the toy making room, they share a wall. I bet you they have a door here somewhere so that they can take the toys and put them in the sleigh and the reindeers just take off from the stables. So let's take a look at the next one. It says Santa's headquarters is located in the southeast corner of the workshop and is 6 feet, which means 6 rows, by 3 feet, which is 3 squares in each row. So draw the room's area on the floor plan. So it's 6 feet in the southeast corner. So here's the southeast corner right here. And in the southeast corner, we would say southeast is over here on our floor plan. So it's 6 squares, 6 rows. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's by 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 3. Okay, so now we have our Santa's headquarters. And I'm just going to put an HQ. And notice I have an apostrophe S because it's showing ownership. And I'm going to put an HQ for headquarters because I don't think the word headquarters is going to quite fit in there. And so I have 6 rows with 3 squares in each row. And I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 square feet. So Santa's headquarters or office, maybe we could call it an office, Santa's office, is 18 square feet. Doesn't have a very big room, but that's okay. It doesn't need anything that great. So 18 square feet. And so here we're going to, I think I will color that in. And I think Santa deserves a nice pink color. Okay. So Santa's headquarters. So it's 6 by 3. So we're going to put the feet here because the length is 6 feet and the width is 3 feet. Now it says the next one is the elves room. And the elves room is number 4, is located in the southwest corner. So here's the southwest corner right here. Southwest corner. Here's our southwest corner. And it's 5 by 5 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I made a little boo-boo earlier, so I had to erase that. So I'm going to label this 5 feet in length and 5 feet in width. And I know that this is the width because I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 squares by 5 in each row, or excuse me, 5 rows with 5 squares in each row. So I have a 5 by 5, which is going to give me 25 square feet. And this is the elves room. I'm just going to write elves here. Okay, elves room. Now, they're going to ask you to tell which room is the largest. So explain which room is has the largest area. So if we look back at our floor plan, I think I'll color this in like a darker blue here. It's almost like a purplish for the elves room. Hopefully the elves like purple, right? Okay, so the elves room. And now they're asking us which is the largest room. So the largest room is, if you said the reindeer stables, right? The reindeer stables. Or have, let's say have. Instead of are, let's say have. Have the largest area of 49 square feet, since they have it has a length of 7 and a width. A length of 7 and width of 7. So out of these rooms, this room happens to have the longest width and the longest length using the 7 by 7 here. So since it has the length of 7 and a width of 7, we know that since these are both the length and the width are the longest out of all the rooms, this is going to have the most square feet. Now the smallest is going to be, now we had to take a look here, we have a 6 by 3 and a 5 by 5. Now the 3 is what kind of makes this the smallest room, because this is just 2 more over that, and it's 1 row less. It may be 1 row less, but it's 2 square feet less per row. So the smallest area is Santa's headquarters. Poor Santa. Santa has the smallest. Santa's headquarters has the smallest area. Oh, I forgot the A here. Of 18 square feet, since the let's make this make sense. Since the length is 6 and the width is 3. So remember, we can multiply the length times the width to find the area of our room or the inside space of a figure, rectangular figure. Now they want us to take the reindeer stables area and Santa's headquarters and compare it to the elves room plus the toy making room. So if I come back to the reindeer stables are 49 square feet. The Santa's headquarters are 18 square feet. The elves room is 35 square feet. And the toy making room is 25. So if I take 49 and add 10, that would be 59. And then if I add another 10 and then take 2 away, so 59, 69, take 2 away, that would be 67. So together, the reindeer stables and the Santa's headquarters make 67 square feet together. But the elves room is 30 and 20 is 50, and 5 and 5 is 10. So 50 and 10 is 60. 60 square feet. So now we can use a comparison sign. 67 square feet is greater than 60 square feet. So we can write our equations now. 49 square feet plus 18 square feet is 67 square feet. And that is greater than 35 plus 25 square feet. And together those make 60 square feet. Now it asks, what is the area of the workshop space that is not part of the room, other rooms? So now let's go back to our floor plan and let's take a look. So right here, and I think I'm going to use a highlighter this time so you guys can see it. From here to here, this is one rectangle that's not being used. And we also have almost like a small hallway that's not being used there. So there's a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's a 1 by 9 not used here. And then there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 5 by 4 here. So 5 is the length, 4 is the width. If I multiply that, I get 20 square feet here. And one row of 9 is 9 square feet there. And together, when I add 20 and 9 together, I get 29 square feet not being used. So basically, I've got two small rectangles that I can use to show what's not being used. So I can say the area not used is. Now you might think about this a little differently. Let's just say, for example, maybe you didn't think about it this way, but if you wanted to actually extend this one more row up, you could have actually done 6 by 4 and then a 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 1 by 5. So it all depends on how you break up those rectangles. So the area that's not used is 29 square feet. because you have a 1 foot by 9 foot and a 5 foot by 4 foot room or area. So 9 plus 20 is 29 square feet. So those are our solutions for Santa's workshop. And I hope you enjoyed your little area activity. This is something that we've been working on in class, so hopefully it just helps you understand area a little bit better and how to use your multiplication facts of length times width to help you with your understanding of area. So that's it for today. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas and have a great winter break. Don't forget to practice fluency while you are on break.